Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Peugeot 3008, a compact SUV that's redefining style, technology, and performance. This latest version of the 3008 brings a host of upgrades, making it a strong contender in its class. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Peugeot 3008 sports a bold and futuristic design. It features Peugeot's signature frameless grille, sleek LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic silhouette. The taillights have been updated with a claw-like design, adding to its aggressive yet elegant stance. New alloy wheel designs and color options enhance the overall visual appeal, ensuring the 3008 stands out on the road. Under the hood, the 2025-3008 offers a variety of powertrain options to cater to different needs. There's a turbocharged petrol engine for those who prefer traditional power, a plug-in hybrid option for efficiency, and even a fully electric version, known as the E3008. The electric model boasts impressive range figures, with some variants offering over 300 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for eco-conscious drivers. The hybrid models combine efficiency with performance, delivering smooth acceleration and excellent fuel economy. One of the standout features of the new 3008 is its advanced driver assistance systems. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, and autonomous emergency braking. These features not only enhance safety but also make driving more convenient, especially during long journeys or in heavy traffic. In terms of practicality, the 2025 Peugeot 3008 offers ample space for passengers and cargo. The rear seats can be folded down to create a flat loading area, and there's plenty of clever storage throughout the cabin. The electric and hybrid versions don't compromise on boot space, thanks to smart packaging. The driving experience is another area where the 3008 shines. It combines a smooth ride with precise handling, making it enjoyable for both city and highway driving. The electric version is particularly notable for its silent operation and instant torque, delivering a unique driving feel. Peugeot has also worked on improving suspension and sound insulation, ensuring a refined and comfortable ride. Finally, the 2025 Peugeot 3008 is competitively priced, offering excellent value for the features and technology it provides. Whether you're looking for style, performance, or efficiency, the new 3008 has something to offer. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and let me know your thoughts about the 2025 Peugeot 3008 in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. I'll see you in the next video.